Put one in, please.
Here you are, Troy. Troy.
Grandma, Mom.
How did you do that?
Mommy.
Troy hit Grandma and knocked her teeth out.
Right.
How'd you do
The
that?
story
He
is...
won my teeth in a poker game.
Ew.
No, the story is you lost your baby teeth.
Grandma.
You're 60 years old and you lost your baby teeth.
Mom, take me.
Mom, take me. Take me. Take me. No.
Oh, Mom, yeah, check the pizza. It might be burnt now.
Oh yeah, it might be burnt. Check the pizza, it might
This
be
is
burnt.
January
Oh, yeah.
14th.
Right.
We all lived through Friday the 13th.
Yes. Most people didn't even realize that.
1989.
I'm going to do it now.
Did you realize it was January the
Oh, yeah.
13th yesterday?
I told everybody this is my favorite day. I was born on it.
Right.
You're kidding me. I said, no. I said, didn't you know that? Take one look at me. You should have known.
Yeah.